First quarter moon ritual. Step into action and align with your higher timeline. The new moon was your seed. The first quarter moon? That's your sign to grow. This is the phase where intention meets resistance, and your power is called forward. What is the first quarter moon? 7 days after the new moon, the moon waxes into its first quarter, half shadowed, half lit. It mirrors the tension between where you were and where you're going. It's the moment of decision, of discomfort, of divine opportunity. Why it matters. Spiritually, this is when obstacles rise, not to block you but to test your alignment. Are your actions matching your intentions? Are you willing to do the inner work to manifest the outer change? How to work with this energy. Here's how to align with first quarter moon energy. First, review your new moon intentions. Pull out your journal. What did you write under the new moon? What felt aligned? And what feels resistant now? Name the resistance. Go ahead and write down what's getting in your way. Self-doubt, fear, overthinking. The moon's light is growing, so let it shine on what you need to face. Take one bold aligned action. This isn't the time for perfection, just one move. One brave decision that really aligns with who you're becoming. I take bold action aligned with my highest truth. I trust the process unfolding. This phase is about momentum, not mastery. It's about building trust with your intuition, one choice at a time. The first quarter moon doesn't just ask what you want, it asks what you're willing to do about it. If you're ready to take your next aligned step, like this video, subscribe for lunar guidance, and drop a moon emoji in the comments to claim your power tonight.